got to be careful what you say yes to. Hey, it's your Coach Borino, and recently on our private group on Facebook, here on Facebook, we had a post from an agent who says, how do I get into BPO business? I'd like to do some BPOs. I would like to make a little extra money. And my response was, be careful. Be careful what you say yes to, because the moment you say yes to BPOs, you're saying no to opportunity to prospect, to lead generate, because it's so time consuming. And these BPOs will not turn into listings. It's a bad idea. You're gambling with the most important, most precious asset you have, and it's your time. So my recommendation would be focus on what matters. Be careful what you say yes to, because if you're saying yes to BPOs, you're saying no to other stuff. If you're saying yes to working with buyers, you're automatically saying no to working with sellers. If you're prospecting for one type of lead, you're saying no to everything else. You've got to be way more deliberate, way more focused, and way more proactive, thinking, will this really get me the best leads, the best clients, the best commissions, the best moolah? And the answer is, if you're wasting your time with BPO, the answer is no, clearly not. Working with buyers clearly is not the most productive, most profitable thing you can be doing right now, especially now when the market is packed with buyers. Everybody wants to buy a house, and it's very hard, or it's more challenging to get good listings. Listings should be your focus. Say yes to listings and say no to distractions. Say no to things that don't lead to business, don't lead to providing good service to your community, to your clients, your prospects. That's how you run a profitable business. Be deliberate what you say yes to, because that yes says no by default to everything else. How do you invest your time? How do you invest your energy, your money, your focus? It's going to determine where you're going to be a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. What are you saying yes to? And what do you have to start saying no to? Be deliberate. You're in control. You can have a great year. You can have a very profitable year. But it comes down to what are you going to say yes to in the next hour, in the next day, in the next week. Because these little steps will ultimately determine your trajectory. Is that helpful? I hope so. Don't waste your time with nonsense that doesn't produce business. And if you need my help, come on board. We'd love to coach you. I have a program called The Path, where you get all my systems, you get all the programs, and you and I get to work together. We'd love to help you. Go check it out. It's goborino.com, goborino.com. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Let me know if I can help. Thanks for watching. Say yes to something productive. Let's go get him. Ciao.